Before we start, did you know that French is actually more efficient than English? To say, I am going, you need 3 words in English. In French, you only need 2. Today, we are going to make your brain faster. I'm Ryan, and this is Guided French. By the end of this session, you'll be able to navigate a French city, find a hotel, and most importantly, find a bathroom. But remember the rule. No pen, no paper, no distractions. We are hardwiring this into your memory. If you're ready to find your way around Paris, let's begin. Let's do a quick fire review. Remember to pause and speak before Claire. How do you say, I am?
Je suis.
How do you say, I would like?
Je voudrais.
How do you say, for me?
Pour moi,
How do you say, please?
s'il vous plaît.
And finally, the big one. A coffee and a croissant, please.
Un café et un croissant, s'il vous plaît.
Great! In lesson 1, we learned je suis for I am. But if you want to say I am going, French uses a different word. It's
Vais,
pause and repeat. To remember this, imagine you are going to buy a beautiful flower vase.
vais,
So I am going is
je vais.
pause and repeat. Exactly. In French, vais means go or am going. It's faster than English because you don't need a separate word for am. Say, hello, I am Ryan, and I am going. The word for and is a.
Bonjour, je suis Ryan et je vais.
Now let's learn how to find things. To ask where is, we say
Où est? Où est? Où est?
pause and repeat. Let's practice with a name. Ask, where is Claire?
Où est Claire?
Now for the word everyone needs, the bathroom. In French, this is always plural.
Les toilettes. Les toilettes.
Pause and repeat. How would you ask, where is the bathroom? Claire is going to change the word is to are because it's plural. Just mimic her sound.
Où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes?
Pause and repeat. What about the restaurant? This one is easy. It's the same word, just use your French pout and that soft R.
Le restaurant. Le restaurant.
Pause and repeat. How do you ask, where is the restaurant?
Où est le restaurant?
And the hotel. The H is a ghost. You don't hear it. L'hôtel.
L'hôtel. L'hôtel.
Pause and repeat. Ask, where is the hotel, please?
Où est l'hôtel, s'il vous plaît?
Now let's combine I am going with these places. To say to the, we say
Au. Au.
so to the restaurant is
Je vais au restaurant.
pause and repeat. For the bathroom, it's also pronounced aux toilettes. Try it. I am going to the bathroom.
Je vais aux toilettes.
Pause and repeat. Time to scramble the brain. How do you say I am?
Je suis.
How do you say I am going?
Je vais.
Ask, where is the restaurant?
Où est le restaurant?
Say, I am going to the restaurant, thanks.
Je vais au restaurant. Merci.
Now, let's put your skills to the test in a real-world situation. You're standing on a street corner in Paris. You're a little lost. A woman passes by. Use your social contract word to get her attention.
Bonjour.
Now ask her, where is the hotel, please?
Où est l'hôtel, s'il vous plaît?
She points down the street. You want to tell her your plans. Say, thanks, I am going to the hotel.
Merci. Je vais à l'hôtel.
You realized you're hungry. Ask her, where is the restaurant?
Où est le restaurant?
She points to the building right next to you. Say, oh, thanks. Goodbye.
Oh, merci. Au revoir.
You've done it. You can now navigate a French city. You can find the hotel, the restaurant, and the bathroom. If you had a bit of trouble with the difference between je suis, I am, and je vais, I am going, don't worry. English makes it confusing because we use the same word am for both. French is actually more logical here. Before you go, our comment challenge. We've learned that thousands of words are shared between our languages. Go to the comments and write down one word you've learned so far that you think is the most useful. Come back and do lesson 4 again tomorrow. In lesson 5, we're going to learn how to say I can and is it? I'm Ryan, she's Claire. See you in the next one.
Au revoir. Au revoir.